There are a lot of birds living in the roof and the roof across the way outside of our apartment. This is the view out of our window. I'm just saying.